like the financial side of restarting that business were like so difficult for me. And I can remember to get the business back off the ground, like I was so all in. Like I had sold my car,
Man.
was liquidating, savings and all sorts of things. And so at this point there was no returning. Like I was in this. It was either gonna work
Yeah.
or it wasn't. I was relaunching this second business. I actually went out and bought essentially like the cheapest car I could find, and I started driving Uber. And so I would essentially drive Uber from like 4 o'clock in the morning until like 8 or 9 o'clock every day and come back and then start my work day. I can remember it was like so anxiety inducing, like strangers coming in your car. Like I'm in Boston and like the roads here are like not great. Like the city's not designed well. And so, you're making wrong turns, you're getting anxious. And I can just remember sitting there being like, I don't want this for myself anymore. But it was like the only thing I could do that had the flexibility that I needed to launch this business. So I just, became an Uber driver for the time being, basically saved up every dollar I had to restart this business. I would say that's probably like one of the scrappier things that I had to do. It was just one of those moments where it was like, you have to find a way. Right. Oh, nobody's coming to save you. Nobody's giving you the handout. Like you're in it alone. Like you got to figure it out.